So today we will discuss about how to calculate the approximate value of any square root which uh, we cannot calculate without having a calculator. Suppose we have root over 29. So we will I cannot calculate this value. Root over 25 we can calculate. Root over 36 we know 6, 5. Root over 16 is 4, like that. But root over 29, root over 11, 13, root over let's suppose 62 also. 64 we can calculate 8. 62 we cannot calculate. So let's take an example, root under 29. So root over 29 we cannot calculate. Here comes calculus. Here we will take the help of dy by dx, calculus. Let's take the function y equals to root under x. Okay. Let allow me to draw the graph. So let's take this as 29. This is root 29. This, the approximation is very good when you take very closest value, because dy dx is the approximation, is the ratio when x tends to 0. Okay, so this approximation works when we take any value that is very close to root over 29. So what is the value which is very close to root over 29 and we can calculate its value? It's so root over 25 is 5 and before that root over 16 is 4. So we cannot take more value, more than 29, because that will not be that will take this value over here and it will got negative. So okay, so we will have to take less value. So what is less value? I am taking root over 25 is equals to 5. Okay, so I am taking 25. So this is root 25 is 5. This is x, this is y. This is y is equals to root over x. Now how to calculate? So tell me, this is the difference between the 2 points. So this is del x and this is the difference in y. This is del y. From here to here. Del x is here to here. Okay. So what is the value of del y? Del y is root under 29 minus root under 25. This is what is root under 25 is root 29. We don't know the value. This is 5. Though we cannot find the value. Now let's calculate del x. What is del x? Del x is simple, 29 minus 25. That is 4. Cool. Okay. Now, done. Now, see. Now let's take a tangent on at the point 5. At the point 25, 5. Okay. Let's take a tangent. So, you see, when I take a tangent on the point 25, 5, this point, at this point, the value of y is 5, but at this 29, 29, at this x equals to 29, the value of the red dot and the blue dot is different. There is some difference, but the del x is same over there. So this del s is not is same as dx. This and this are equal, but in case of del y, this is the del y. Okay. This is the del x, but see, del y and dy are different, but del x and dx are same. So let's calculate the del y. Let's calculate the dy. So here we can write dx is equals to del x is equals to 4. Now dy at x equals to 25. Okay. So to calculate dy, we have to take the help of differentiation. So y is equals to root under x. So dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 root x. D. How this is happening, I will tell you. X to the power n dx equals to n x to the power n minus 1. So d of x to the power half dx equals to half times x to the power half minus 1. That is 1 by 2 into x to the power minus half. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Alright? Like this. Now, if we multiply dx on both sides, so we will get dy equals to 1 by 2 root x times dx. Now, we will calculate, therefore, y dash equals to, I will write original plus difference. Original means, I means 5, because at this point we are calculating the dy, right? At 25, 5. So this is the original y and the difference will be dy. So what is the value of y here on this point, not this point? You will tell that we are calculating the tangent over taking the tangent on this point, but how do you expect that the tangent will also touch this point? Yes, that is a valid point because the x is very large here. X is equal to del x is 4. We're taking 4. But when we do calculus, what we tend to do? We take limit del x tends to 0 dy dx. That is we do. That is what we do. So that's why, but we are taking a differentiation over here. We need to calculate the value, approx value. That's why I was telling approximate value of root over 29. I was not telling the exact value of root 29. Never, it will come never. So what is the value of y was 5 plus dy? So what is the dy? Dy is, we got from here. So now put the value 1 by 2 times root over x. So what was the x over here? 25 into dx was 4 is 1 by 2 times 5 into 4. 2. 2 by 5 means 0. 2 by 5 means 0.24. 0.4. Okay. So it is 0.4. So what it comes? 5.4. Therefore, root under 29 comes as approximate as 5.4. Now, using calculator, let's take the value. Root under 29 is 5.385. 5.385. Okay, so see, we have got an approximate value over here. So this is how you can calculate any unknown square root. Thank you.